Hey guys, Paul from Top Course here. So today we're in Albany and we have excavated this foundation. This is an old, early 1900s poured concrete foundation. And you can see you have these striations here from where they had the boards that they would use to form it up. You can also see that there's no waterproof on here. And so the homeowner was having a lot of issues with powdering and things from the inside, a strong amount of effervescence, and so it was definitely needed to have some waterproof put on here so it would last another 100 years or so. So we're here taking care of that for them, and I will head inside and show you some of what was going on the inside. Okay, so we are inside that Albany house where we were looking at the foundation, and as you can see here, quite a bit of effervescence. You can see the crumbling of the concrete. Take a good look at that there. So it's real important that we get this taken care of before this progresses. And it'll be real easy to say, hey, let's just patch over this. I mean, thousands of people do it. It may last for a little while, but ultimately the structure underneath is going to be falling apart. What we see here. So your best bet is really stopping at the core. Get that wall waterproof, get anything repaired on the outside, allow this to dry out, and then from that point you can move forward with some more long-term repairs to what we see here. So thanks for watching.